Previously in the Atlantic, we left off with 2023, where Hurricanes Franklin, Idalia, and Lee ravaged the Atlantic, becoming the only major hurricanes of the season. As we took back through time, though, in fact 6 years, the exact same naming list 3, we bring it back to 2017. A year where forecasts predict an average to slightly above average season, and some forecasts even saying slightly below average activity was expected. No one could have prepared them for what would happen next. Without further ado, here is the historic 2017 Atlantic hurricane season animation, animated by JM Studios.
Can you hear me? We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know
left in Crosby were neutralized on Sunday. Harvey's floodwaters have also compromised at least 5 toxic waste sites near Houston. Correspondent Danielle Nottingham is at one of the locations in Channelview, Texas, where federal officials are surveying.
Switch.
The sound of military choppers touching down at this Key West strip mall brings relief. Those who survived Hurricane Irma are desperate for supplies.
I was so thirsty. Thank God for the Army.
Days after the storm, power, water, and cell phone service are still cut off to most of the island chain.
Everything's down and gone. Everything's blocked. The telephone poles are down.
National Guard crews now rolling in to clear out roads.
It's a devastation out here. So we're taking it street by street.
While the Navy is bringing in ships and helicopters to reach remote areas still looking for aid.
From up above, we see a lot of boats shipwrecked on some of these keys and capsized upside down.
Thank you. Thank you. Along the highway, neighbors feeding neighbors. Tuned in to the only station that broadcast here throughout the storm.
This has been our lifeline the whole time.
Your goodbyes. Brace yourself. I can see the end in sight. Three, two, one. Hardwired.
The first pictures now coming in from Puerto Rico after taking a direct hit. Hurricane Maria slamming into the island, and as you heard, one official saying the island is destroyed. The official death toll had been 64. Tonight, that death toll now 2,975 lives lost. Ordered to stay inside until at least tomorrow amid fears of more massive flooding to come.